And I'm Heather SKOLD.
And I'm Mallory Anderson. Right now at 4, a potential fire ban may impact your Memorial Day weekend plans.
The Colorado Springs Fire Marshal telling our team that given the extreme fire danger this summer, a burn ban is likely. KRDO News Channel 13's Jasmine joins us live from the Colorado Springs Fire Department headquarters to explain what this ban would mean. Jasmine.
Right now, people who live here in Colorado Springs are prohibited from starting any recreational fires under the current fire restrictions. But in the next few weeks, those rules could get stricter, causing some concern for those who plan to camp or even grill on Memorial Day weekend.
We are very concerned as we move into the warmer weather in spring and moving into summer, because we're not seeing a weather pattern change, and the risk to our community is extremely serious.
Fire danger prompting a potential fire ban in Colorado Springs.
If things continue to worsen, what we'll do is move into a ban where we just have to tell everybody you can't use any kind of wood, pellets, any kind of ordinary combustible material, because we cannot risk any embers or sparks traveling anywhere.
This potential ban would impact everyone, including those hoping to camp over the holiday.
There's something that goes hand in hand with having a campfire and s'mores and cooking out, and definitely changes up the way that you're going to celebrate.
Under current conditions, outdoor barbecue grills filled by wood, pellets, or charcoal are allowed. But under a burn ban, the only way to grill would be on a liquid propane gas, natural gas, or liquid fuel. Campsites would have to take precautions too, because bonfires, outdoor smoking, cooking, and grilling in all city-owned parks and open spaces would be prohibited.
My fear is people becoming apathetic and losing track of the fact that we are in a very serious situation right now. Every day you are reporting on fires that we are having in town, and we are one significant spark away from a very serious incident.
Now, the last time Colorado Springs was under a fire ban was in August of 2020. It was lifted 3 months later in November. Fire officials are asking you to be extremely careful and report any fire you see. Reporting live from the Colorado Springs Fire Department headquarters, I'm Jasmine for KRDO News Channel 13.
Jasmine, thank you.